Hello boys and girls, in this video I'm going to try and teach you how to do some missing number questions that you will see in the seal part at the top before maths. So I have got a whiteboard with some questions on it and I'm going to go through them all as to how we would do them. You can use your fingers for this, you can use a number line if you've got a number line or 100 square, but I'm just going to use my fingers. Yeah, and once you have watched this video, hopefully you'll be able to try the mild, spicy and hot questions below. So here I have a set of questions with some missing numbers that we're going to try today so that you can do the task on your own. So the first one, I've got 7 plus something equals 10. So what we need to do is we need to start at this number, the 7 that we know, and we need to count upwards until we get to 10, and that will work out what our missing number is. So you can use your finger for this, you could use a number line, or you can use your knowledge of number bonds. So we need to count up from 7 until we stop at 10. So 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 3. So that means that 7 plus 3 equals 10. How about the next one? 13 plus something equals 19. So we need to count from 13 all the way up to 19, and we need to count how many we add on. So if we start at 13, we need to count upwards, so the next number is 14. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So that is 6 that we have added on. These ones are a little bit different the next two because the line is at the start, but that's okay because we're just going to start with this number here, because we know, if we look at this top one, we know that 7 plus 3 is 10, but also 3 plus 7 equals 10. We've just swapped them round, so if we write the 7 plus 3 underneath, we know that they are the exact same question, it's just the numbers are in a different order. So we could write this one out like 15 plus something equals 20. That would be the same as this, so our missing line will still be the same number. So we're going to start at 15 and count up to 20. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we've added 5. You might not have to use your fingers for that one because you might know your number bonds to 20 and you know that 15 plus 5 equals 20. So that would be the same here if you wrote it out like this. 15 plus 5 equals 20. And it's the same for this last one. So we can switch the lines around if that makes it easier for us. 17 plus something equals 21. So we know we need to count up from 17 and count up until we get to 21, and then we know what comes in the middle here. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We've added 4. So that means a 4 goes in here, or you could put a 4 in like this. So we know that 4 plus 17 equals 21, but also 17 plus 4 equals 21 because we've just swapped the numbers around.